How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a gorgeous 72 Chevelle Malibu. It's been badged as an SS. It's got the steel cowl hood on it. Done in a gorgeous, super slick, hugger orange, also known as a flame orange, white stripes. It's an all original panel car. Car originated out of California. It's all the grill and the bumpers all like new. Car's real straight, flat, slick down the sides. I tell you, it's really hard to find a nice original panel car. Got a set of 17 and 20 inch wheels on it. Just a perfect stance. Tell you, I really like the color with the white stripes, the white interior. See, the rear bumper's been replaced. It looks like new. Paint's real slick, nice on the car. It was done about 5 years ago. It's got a nice 30 over 350, all your Durashine intake and valve covers, dual feed Holly. It's got your vintage air. It's got power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's got ceramic coated headers, duals out the back. I drove this car around, put about 50 miles on it the other day. Thing cruises right down the road, drives nice. See, all the jams are real nice. Really like the white interior in it. Headliner's real nice, tight. It's got the little center console there on the seat, which is removable. So all the trunk jam looks real nice. It's the factory original paint on the underside of the deck lid. Still got the original jack sticker. It's got your spare and jack, everything there. See, the trunk floor and everything's very solid, nice in the car. Tell you, it's getting hard to find nice, clean cars. They've done the retrofit AM/FM radio with the IPOD capability. It's got a trio of gauges there under the dash. You can see all the AC vents. It is a Malibu, but they did the SS badging on it. Just looks cool. Thing fires right up. Got a nice cam in it. It's got a 700R overdrive automatic trans in it. It's got 331 gear in it. It's got a posi in it. The backup lights work. Tell you, good looking car. Get in this car, go to all your shows, cruise it. enjoy. Got all dark smoked windows also. You'll see in the pictures. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.